Hello everyone. Let's step into the forefront of data-driven innovation with Gathr. Our platform harnesses Gen AI capabilities to revolutionize application development. Through GathrIQ, which is our virtual AI assistant, you can now transform raw data into actionable outcomes in just 5 minutes or less. Simply provide the prompts, sit back, and watch as Gathr seamlessly crafts the tailored pipelines. Let's have a look. In Gathr, after defining the source, access the AI assistant from the icon on the right. Provide the relevant prompts and let the assistant generate data transformation tasks for it. For the player's injury dataset, from the two columns injury details and players, we can derive details like the player's position, player name, injury information, match location, etc. Let's go to the assistant and get our match location, which is the first string between where and when. When you click on generate task, the assistant will generate the task for getting the match location. After clicking on apply, you can look at that step of extraction of match location getting added automatically. So now you have a match location enriched dataset. These prompts can also be a list of steps like these for data quality, entity extraction, derived field calculations, even aggregations and writing a Python piece of code. When you click on generate task with these list of steps, it's now going to generate a sequence of steps which will now auto create the whole pipeline for you. Let's click on apply all and see the lightning speed of Gathr delivering your data pipeline. So now the first step it applied was trimming the player's field, extracting the player position, extracting the type of injury information, the player's name, and lastly applying a filter which just is removing the noise from the player's name which we could not find. If I scroll on the right, all of these fields like the match location are now being added. The player's position right here, injury information and player name. And we have also filtered out some of the records. Now we have the match data ready to get enriched with the team roster information right here. For that, let's also add a SQL component for the join query. Inside of Gathr, you can not only get the pipeline being auto-created, but the support for AI Assistant is also available inside of these processors. For instance, for the SQL query, all I have to do is just fill out some fields, provide my instructions right here, wait for the query to get generated. Let's copy paste it here. Click on next and save the information. And just like that, my enriched information is ready. So age, experience, height, the team number, position, roster details, all of that is now being enriched to my original injury data set, and hence my unified data is now ready. With that, I think it's a good time to add a visualization component which will now help us add more actionable insights and dashboards to this particular data pipeline. Let's add the visualize component to get started there. Select all the required fields that you'll need for the dashboard. Click on next. And within a few seconds, your dashboard will now get ready. Click on this icon to access the visualization component.